Best modifications for a 2026 Hyundai Elantra N, tuning the everyday track star. The 2026 Hyundai Elantra N is one of the most exciting performance sedans in its class, blending daily usability with serious track capability. With its sharp chassis, aggressive styling, and turbocharged power, the Elantra N has quickly gained a cult following among enthusiasts. But as capable as it is from the factory, the car hides even more potential beneath the surface. With a few smart modifications, this Korean powerhouse can become a true track day weapon that still behaves perfectly on the street. At the core of the 2026 Elantra N lies a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that pumps out about 286 horsepower and 289 lb-ft of torque in stock trim. It's responsive, linear, and comes alive when pushed hard, especially when paired with the 6-speed manual or 8-speed DCT. The first step to unlocking more performance starts with a cold air intake from AEM, engine, or Takeda, which improves airflow and enhances induction sound. Combine that with a performance downpipe and catback exhaust system from Armatrix, Borla, or HKS, and you'll see improved throttle response, faster turbo spool, and a deeper, sportier exhaust note. The next essential upgrade is an ECU tune. With platforms like SXTH Element, RaceChip, or ECU Tech, a Stage 1 tune can increase power to nearly 330 horsepower and 350 lb-ft of torque, dramatically improving mid-range punch. For those seeking even more excitement, a Stage 2 setup, including an upgraded intercooler and high-flow turbo inlet, can push performance well beyond 360 horsepower, while maintaining reliability and smooth drivability. To complement the power, suspension tuning is key. The Elantra N's chassis is already highly refined, but a set of coilovers from KW or BC Racing allows for adjustable ride height and damping to fine-tune the car's handling. Adding front and rear sway bars and stiffer bushings enhances cornering stability and sharpens steering feel. Lightweight forged wheels from Enkei or Rays, combined with Michelin Pilot Sport 4S or Bridgestone Potenza R71 RS tires, further improve grip and reduce unsprung weight, perfect for track sessions. For braking, upgrading to a big brake kit from Brembo, StopTech, or D2 Racing ensures fade-free performance. Pair it with stainless steel brake lines and high-temperature fluid for a firmer pedal feel and more precise braking control. Aesthetic and aerodynamic upgrades also make a big difference. A carbon fiber front splitter, side skirts, and rear diffuser not only enhance downforce but also give the Elantra N a meaner, more aggressive look. For track enthusiasts, a rear wing and vented hood can help with cooling and high-speed stability. Inside, a short-throw shifter, Recaro bucket seats, and Alcantara steering will bring the feel of a race car cockpit to your daily drive. With these modifications, the 2026 Hyundai Elantra N becomes the ultimate dual-purpose car, refined enough for weekday commuting yet wild enough to dominate on track days. It's proof that Hyundai's N division is not just competing with the best, it's redefining what a modern performance sedan can be.